Okay, I purchased this. It was really inexpensive. Let me show you what it looks like. Here it is in the box. It's actually for your ears. As you can see, it's got these little tubes that go on the end of it, but this is it. Got the little camera right there. It's got a light in it, and right here's how you can control the light. You just turn this dial and up or down, put it into a USB port, and you're set to go. I use it for something totally different, and I'll show you what that is. This is my 50 caliber black powder. I'm going to send the scope down through the barrel, see what it looks like. I haven't had this out in 5 years, but I have wiped it down yearly. I cleaned it 4 or 5 years ago after using it. Now let's see what the barrel looks like. Okay, as we drop down the barrel, you can see rust, and you can actually see flakes that are falling off the sides of the barrel. I did not think the barrel would look like this after 4 or 5 years, because I know that when I shot it to unload it, I cleaned the barrel, because like I always do, but like I said, it's been sitting for like 5 years, and everything else has been cleaned. As you can see, the outside was clean, but I did not think I would have to take care of the barrel, even though I did not take it out and shoot it or hunt with it. Now down here is the breech plug. This is where the bullet usually sets with the powder, and there should be a hole right there in the breech plug, but all I see is rust. Now let's go ahead and we'll pull it back up and out of the barrel. And now we'll stick the scope back down the barrel again. This is after one good cleaning. And as you can see, the rust is still there, somewhat of it. Not a lot, well, I can't say not a lot, but you can still see the rust. It's noticeable, but not like it was before. You don't see no flakes really dropping off now. And down here at the bottom, at the breech plug, now there is a hole there, and I actually had to clean that hole out because it was so badly built up and plugged up that I had to take a drill bit to get that out. And now you can see the hole in there. The primer goes in behind there. As I take the scope through the barrel, this is the third time that I clean the rifle. It looks a whole lot better than it did. This is about as clean as I could get it. I'll probably have to wait a couple months and try and clean it again, just to make sure it's not rusting up on me again. I'll probably take it out and shoot it a few times and then clean it. But it looks a lot better than it did, and it really shouldn't look this bad. I mean, it's good, but it's not like it should look, you know what I mean? Now let's go look at the barrel of a shotgun. This is my shotgun. It's a Winchester. Let's go ahead and look down the barrel and see what it looks like. Okay, this is my 12 gauge Winchester shotgun. The barrel's really clean, but I do not know what these black stripes are, or these black veins. I don't know if it's where they stretched the barrel, or if it's just part of the barrel, you know. I have no clue. But this barrel is pretty clean. I keep it clean because I shoot it often. And if it goes all the way down in here, it'll come right out the chamber, because I have the chamber actually open. You can see the end of it right there. As we get down to the bottom here, you can see where the chamber's opened. Now we'll go ahead and back out, and you'll be able to see the veins in the steel of the barrel a whole lot clearer as I get up through the barrel. As you can see them, it just looks like a bunch of veins. Really don't know what that is unless it's, you know, part of the barrel. Now let's go over and take a look at the 40 caliber. This is a 40 caliber Glock. Let's go ahead and look down in this barrel and see what it looks like. Now this here is a Gen 4 Glock 40 caliber. I just want to point out that the otoscope will not fit down the barrel of a 22, 223, 30, or any other kinds of small caliber rifle or pistol. This Glock here has a really short barrel, but anything with a large enough barrel, this otoscope will fit down in it, and you will be able to look at the integrity of your barrel, the cleanliness, and on black powders, especially the ones without the breech plug, you can actually see if it's loaded or not. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.